Another severe thunderstorm warning. Just got been issued. Surprisingly, it hasn't gone off just yet. So yeah, and brand new severe thunderstorm warning has just been issued for the KHB 32 area. See, I'll show you. It's just showing the special marine warning message. And there's another one. It's just for Denver, Colorado. Yeah, surprisingly, it hasn't gone off just yet because that is for the KHB 32 listening area, Pasco County. That's part of the KHB 32 area. Should go off in a couple of minutes or in a few seconds. See what happens here. Here we go.
Severe thunderstorm warning for western Pasco County in west central Florida until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Jasmine Estates, over 7 miles southeast of Hudson, moving northwest at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail.
This time the hail's been
reported.
Source,
radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include J.B. Starkey Wilderness Park, Jasmine Estates, Newport Richey East, Bayonet Point, Hudson, Moon Lake, Shady Hills, and Newport Richey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Pasco, Florida,